You keep rolling your boat. You and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you're interested in seeing old units, new units, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this beautiful unit that I'm stunting with right now. I'm so excited. This is yet another 13x7 unit. Yes, 13x7, honey. And this is by Bobbi Boss. This is the Alivia, and I'm wearing it in the color number 2. So if you're interested in seeing the ways that I styled this unit and the beautiful construction of this unit, then just stay tuned for this video.
Ain't nobody fucking with my vibes. On the highs, on the lows. Take a couple hits of my supply. I wanna ride on my glow. Fucking with me, I'm feeling it, having a good time, but we can ride out. With my eyes so low and a dry mouth, and my ride so low, it applies now. Make a million no talk, we can hide now. Fucking with me if you ain't, don't talk. One of the bitch you are, see, don't talk. One of the snitch you are, he be woke. Son of a bitch, I'm on, see me float. Fucking with this you want. Young homie, let it bang, y'all know. When I come in, you can thank my flow. Sucking on the fucking came on hoes. You think you're fucking with me, lame, I don't. I've been looking at you, thank y'all though. I've been flowing with the greats, I know. They call me Colorz in my gang, y'all know. I made the beat and I can sing my flow. Go roll it, homie, I'll get high. Don't go until you smoke, my guy. Take a toke and get focused on my lines. We be potent, I'm floating a fine line. Take a toke, but it's dope and it's piling. Wanna smoke with the goat with the projects. 100 spokes on the road, it's a problem. History in the progress, yeah. My vibes on the highs, on the lows. Take a couple hits of my supply. I wanna ride on my glow. Fucking with me, I've been on the
Distant voices inside in my head. It's clear that my choices when I look inside. The fear of the voices and all they embed. Appear cavalier, but when they're in they bed. Embracing the darkness that weighs down like lead as they chasing the hardest can find it dead. Just to get by, just to get high, just to get fly. This is my time, don't block my shine. I've been on my grind, get money on the mind. Building in silence, this is my life. I've been holding my tongue in the void in the sky. Cause my mind is a riot, inside it the fire that's burning inside me like things I desire. What do I require? The things I inspire. Cause I sat in darkness for too long to squire. I'm all that's left in this life I inquire. Been singing through wires and pain in the brain. Born to conspire, how you entertain. Feeling the burn as the yearning remains. We're not the same, you're in a lane. I made my own cause I travel in vain. Nothing to lose, I'm consumed by my gains. Ain't no bluff and I choose to
nobody
refuse
fucking with my vibes. On the highs, on the lows. Take a couple hits of my supply. I wanna ride on my glow. Fucking with me, I've been on the...
Okay, you guys, so off the bat, I just have to say, you can see it in my face how excited I am about this unit. I have tried a couple other 13x7s, but I just am really digging this unit a lot. So one of the big things with a lot of these new Bobbi Boss units, something to just keep in mind is the fact that the baby hairs for these units do come pretty thick. So for this, I did pluck it out some. And when I did that, I feel like it helped it look so much more realistic. I feel like you can sort of try to get away with just swooping the baby hairs into the hairline, but just know that they are so thick and there are so many of them that it may just be more work to try to get the ones that are in there to just swoop into the hairline versus just going in and plucking it out. The plucking didn't take too long. That's probably, honestly, the most time that I spent on this unit was just plucking the baby hairs. Other than that, like, I feel like, oh my god, like, look at this hairline. Like the texture, oh my god, the texture feels like a relaxed Yaki texture. It does come with your standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, but also it does have your elastic band as well. So if you do have a bigger head, girl, get it, because this unit will fit you if you have a smaller head, bigger head, medium size head. This is everything to the front. It's pretty long, comes below my boobs. I love this density. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So these new Bobbi Boss 13x7 units are on the higher price point for synthetic units, but I honestly do feel like it is worth the work, because even though you do have to do a little bit of customization, the fact that they come pre-plucked, there's 13x7, like, in the texture is just so good. Like, I feel like you can't go wrong. Like, I can definitely see me cutting this down a little bit, maybe to like right here, and just wearing it every day. Like, I'm so impressed with it. I love all the versatility from all the parting space. I love the density. I love the texture. I love the way that it lays. Honey, look at that. Look at how deep that is. No heat whatsoever. I did not add any heat. Just like I said, the longest part was just me laying the baby hairs down. And look at. I'm not even a baby hair girl, but like, I'm feeling myself today. You know what I mean? Like, I'm super happy with this. It is heat safe, so that's another plus. I'm just all around feeling this unit. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I like it a lot. I hope that you guys like it as much as I do. If you're a girl that's into big hair, don't care, or like pretty like waves, like hey, then I feel like this will be the unit for you. So thank you so much for tuning into this channel. Just give me a like if you like this video, subscribe if you're new, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Ain't nobody fucking with